Terrorists have no citizenship, particularly the one we have in hand with Shabab is an ideology based and it has no specific citizenship. It can be anybody. Definitely information is available so far indicates that there were Somali ethnic people involved in that. Not yet clear where do they come from Somalia, from other parts of the world. But what is the essence is Shabab has taken the responsibility. They claim that they are the responsible.
Inside Somalia, are there a mixture of ethnicities in Al-Shabaab?
Yes, there are. They are full of them. All over the world, Asians, Europeans, Americans.
British?
British, of course, all Europeans.
Any evidence that this woman, Samantha Laithwaite, might have been involved?
Well, we're waiting the final answer from the Kenyan authorities, but it has been said that she was the one who was leading this attack. That's the information so far we have. But still, investigations are going on, verifications will happen, and final word will be brought out by the Kenyan authorities who is investigating the matter. Somalis are not radicalized more than any other society in the world, particularly in many parts of the world. We still do believe that we are the smallest. The radicalization in Somalia is the lowest compared to many other scenarios or nations in the world. One thing I would like to reiterate is that in the last couple of days that was happening, the siege in Nairobi, the Somalis in Somalia and those in Kenya, all of them, they stood beside the Kenyan people and the Kenyan authority by offering whatever they can, moral and material. So the Kenyan people and the Kenyan government knows that and they appreciate that. What I ask the world is what I used to ask all the time, which is to support Somalia to have a functioning state institutions. Why Al-Shabaab is there in Somalia is because of the vacuum. Why the piracy has been flourished in Somalia, which we don't have any history of piracy in the past, is because of the vacuum. I would say the world, this is a time to support a functioning Somali state in place that controls the territory. That is the ultimate solution of Al-Shabaab or any other evil forces in place. The Shabaab is, they claim that they are jihadists, but the reality of whether today in the 21st century there is a jihad or not, and what type of jihad is there, these are questions that are quietly got different answers than the way Shabaab portrays. But they claim that they are jihadists, global jihadists. Some people sometimes mix the issues that Shabaab wants an Islamic state in Somalia. That's not true. Shabaab wants a unified one state all over the world. They do not believe borders. They do not believe sovereignty. So their theme is global. It's not even regional.